If you're a landlord in Florida and need a solid residential lease agreement that's easy to use, professionally formatted, and available as a downloadable PDF or a professionally printed packet, this video will walk you through exactly what we offer and how it works. This Florida Lease is part of the Landlord resources available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with property managers and owners who want straightforward paperwork they can rely on without spending hours trying to navigate a single document. Our Florida Residential Lease Agreement is designed for single-family homes, condos, and small residential rentals. It's structured in a clear format so the key terms are easy to enter and easy to reference later on. At the front of the lease is a summary page where you enter the most important details like tenant names, rent amount, due date, deposits, and more. That way you don't have to hunt through pages trying to find critical information. This lease is laid out in a way that keeps things organized while still covering the core expectations for both parties. It's available two ways, either as an instant PDF download or a professionally printed packet that's mailed to you on premium archival quality paper. Many landlords grab the printed version to keep everything in a physical file, while others prefer instant access. And if you need more than just the lease, we also offer a complete Florida rental forms kit. It includes the lease plus commonly used documents like a rental application and move-in checklist. So if you're getting ready for a new tenant or just want to be prepared for future rentals, the kit can save you time and make the process a whole lot easier. You can order your Florida Residential Lease Agreement or your Florida Rental Forms kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.